welcome back again, and in this video I will be sharing to give you guys a review on this product, which is a new launch by Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. Basically this is a micellar water. In case you don't know what micellar water does to your skin, micellar water is something which cleanses your skin and the residues of the makeup. Let me just tell straight what this product says and then move on to my personal own review, what I think about this product, what I liked and what I don't. So let's get started. But before starting this video out, and if you like me, then subscribe to my channel right now. It is directly below this video. Just touch it out and you are done with the subscription. This removes waterproof makeup, plus cleanses, plus nourishes. It does not require any rinsing while you are removing your makeup. This thing is what the product is saying. And this product is ideally for face, eyes, lips. This is not greasy. This is dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested, and this is 125 ml of a product for rupees 225, which I think is on an affordable side. Now direction is that shake well before use, apply onto face, eyes and lips with some cotton pads and without rubbing. Let's just test it out whether it requires rinsing or not. You have to just place a cotton pad dipped in it and place it on for a few seconds and then swipe it off, and then see, this will remove all your makeup out without any rinsing. But I'm using this cotton. Pour some micellar water in this and placing it directly on my eye, holding it for a few seconds and then swipe it off. Now I'm swiping it off in front of you guys, and let's just see what is coming off. This much of makeup it has removed. As you can see, it has not completely removed my makeup in a single swipe. So I'm doing it one more time just to give this a fair chance to do its job. I'm swiping it off. Now this has removed this much of makeup. As you can see, it has removed all of the eyeshadows from my lid area completely, but it has not removed the eyeliner and the mascara, and some of the eyeshadow is also left on my eyes, in the corner of my eyes. I've placed it on for 20 seconds, which I think is quite long for removing your makeup. If rush, you don't want to spend much of time in removing your makeup out. Now I'm going to use my favorite makeup remover, which I personally use on a daily basis, which is this Maybelline Clean Express Total Clean makeup remover. It removes all of your makeup from your eye, from your lips, no matter how long you wear your makeup. It removes instantly, like just within few seconds it removes your makeup out. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm taking cotton and pouring this out in the cotton. I'm just placing, and now I'm going to rinse it off like this. As you can see, Maybelline one is also in an affordable side. Maybelline retails for rupees 325. This is more expensive in comparison to the Garnier ones, because Garnier ones is giving you the 125 ml of a product in just rupees 225, but the Maybelline ones is giving you only 70 ml of a product rupees 325, which is you are paying exactly the double of the Garnier ones. But I think this is completely worth it, because it removes your makeup instantly, causing any irritation to your skin. But now move on to the face. I'm going to use a Maybelline one this side on my face, the Garnier ones on this side of my face. This has removed this much of makeup. Now I'm switching on to the Garnier ones, and this time I'm not rinsing, I'm just swiping. As you can see, this side I've applied the Maybelline ones, and this side I've applied the Garnier ones. So this has removed this much and this has removed this much. From on face, they both are working pretty much equal. My skin is looking supple, soft, and my skin is not looking dry at all. But the Maybelline one does not remove the oil which I've applied before the makeup, because this is only the makeup remover. This does not remove oil from your face, and it has removed the oil from my face because it is micellar water. You do not need any cleanser to remove residues of your makeup, but after using this Maybelline ones, you have to cleanse your face with some cleanser, with some face wash, whatever you have in your vanity. Guys, I hope you liked my review, and if you really did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already. And do let me know in the comment section below what procedure you follow for removing your makeup out, and what is your favorite makeup remover to removing your makeup, and what you think about this product, which is this Garnier Micellar Water. And let me just end this video right here by saying this, that this is the most affordable micellar water out in the market. If you are seeking a micellar water for you, then this product is absolutely for you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.